we got a nice bag. This is the laptop. It has i7 processor, HDD1 TB hard drive, RAM 4GB plus 4GB 8GB, USB 3.1, USB 3.0 plus USB 2.0. It's all. That's all. Let's do it. We got some power brick here. There's a cable, it's repair type. This is our product laptop. Let's do it. There is some paperwork and driver CD. That's it. Nice package. Oh, it's in a maroon color like ASUS. There is some fingerprints on the surface. With this nice keyboard, nice durability. It has NVIDIA GeForce 940MX, and there is 2.5x extend battery, USB Type C. Let's do the ports. There is a power port. It's LAN port, VGA output, HDMI, USB 3.0, USB Type C. It's analog port. There we have SD card slot, micro headphone jack, USB Type 2.0. There is an CD-ROM. That's all. It's upgradable. Look, these nuts, upgradable. We can took part in the SSD here. Okay, that's all. That's all. Welcome guys. Thank you guys to watching my video. Please subscribe.